Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the case study on the IoT. So, first one, the first thing we are going to see what do you mean by an Internet of Things. So, the Internet of Things is the network of the physical objects or things that embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and network connectivity, which enables these objects to collect and exchange data. So here it is nothing but the embedded, it is nothing but the combination of both hardware as the software, and we are going to enable the objects and we are going to exchange the data. So things, what I mean by things in this IoT sense means, so here we are having the variety of devices. So suppose if we are taking an heart monitoring patients, suppose we want to monitor the patient's heart or whatever it may be, biochip transponders or farm animals, or electric comms in the coastal water, automobile sector. In automobiles, where it has been connected with the various types of sensor. Suppose in case of the environment or food pathogenic monitoring, it will be useful for the analysis, operations, and all. So here we are having so many devices, and we are what are all the devices that will be having the existing technologies, and what are all the data that has been exchanged between the other devices. So here the IoT technology has been rapidly advancing, and we are having that will be helpful in the various domains. Here we are going to see some of the case studies of IoT applications in different sectors. So where we are using, for example, if we take how the IoT works means, where we have to identify and track the data of things, what are all the things that has been present, and with the help of the RFID we have to track the data and we have to identify. The next one is the sensor. So what is the purpose of the sensor? We are going to collect and process the data, and we are going to detect the changes. If it is a smart tech, we are going to enhance the power of the network, and it will be also the processing capabilities of different part of the network. And the last one is the nanotech. So to make the smaller and smaller things, it have the ability to connect and interact. Suppose if we are going for the practical applications, yeah, IoT in case of the agriculture, if we take, so here what IoT helps means, here the farmers can improve their yield, and the it will reduce the waste. So here we have to know the we have to see how the soil moisture will be, temperature will be, whether the temperature will affect the growth of the crop or not. And here we are going to see how we are going to control the irrigation, fertilization. So here we are using the sensors. So with the help of the sensors, here we can easily monitor the exposure, that is moisturizer, temperature, and all. The next one is the healthcare. While coming to that of the healthcare, we have to monitor the patients remotely. Okay, remotely. So for that also we are using the sensor. Suppose if we want to monitor the patient's heart rate, blood pressure, oxygen levels, whatever it may be. So if we want to find out the patient's heart rate, blood pressure, whatever it may be, with the help of IoT, the sensors which we have placed, it can be easily monitored. While coming to the manufacturing technology, so why we are going for this means, it can improve the efficiency and we can reduce the downtime. Suppose if we are using the sensor to monitor the machines, it will be in the proper maintenance, and there will be reduced replacement process, and with the help of this sensor we can improve the productivity. So it can be used in manufacturing. Suppose in case of the retail also, it will improve the customer experience. And for example, if we want to purchase one product, so we are having the sensor and we have to track the thing where it has been purchased, and how the shopping experience and the increasing sales, that can also be um, that can also be we can use in case of the IoT. Home automation. So while coming to that of the home automation, so here we are using the home remotely. Suppose if we want to measure the temperature, humidity, and whatever the thing, if we want to control the heating, cooling, improve lightning, improving whatever it may be, the energy efficiency or reducing cost, so that will all, or that will be monitored remotely with the help of these IoTs. For example, if we take the cow, in even the cow, the sensors has been placed. In the world of the IoT, even the cows will be connected and monitored. So here we are having some of the applications where the IoT has been used, from agriculture to medicine, in manufacturing sector, in automobile industries. So here we are going to use the sensor in even the cow. So how much of the how it has been connected and monitored means the sensor will be planted in the ears of the cattle. So easily the farmers can track the cow's health and track their movements, whether it will be used for the milk and meat for the people to consume. So if it is not well, they can easily measure the cows. So on average, each cow generates about 200 MB of information per year. So here even the IoT that has been plays a vital role in all the fields. Thank you.